Hi, I'm Estela Lopez, the Associate Director and Board Member of California Rural Legal Assistance Foundation, or CRLA Foundation. CRLA Foundation is an organization that helps farm workers and the rural poor in California. We help people fight for their rights in the workplace, to be free of sexual harassment and discrimination, to get paid the wages that they are owed, to be free of pesticides, and to have a safe working condition. We also help workers become citizens so that they can participate fully in this society through three main ways: community education and outreach, legislative advocacy, and impact litigation and direct representation. Through our community education and outreach, we go out into the field and we educate farm workers on their rights. Through our legislative advocacy work, if we see systemic violations out on the fields, we create laws that protect those workers. If they decide that they want to enforce those violations, we help them get into the courts so that they can enforce those rights. Rocio was working out in the fields and was receiving sexual advances from the foreman there. She didn't realize this was wrong until she came to one of our women leadership trainings and she heard about what the law is around sexual harassment and discrimination. She gathered up her courage and she decided to file a lawsuit against the grower. She was successful, but more importantly for her, now she is a leader. She's training other women about what sexual harassment is and what happens out in the fields. And she tells women what they can do to make sure that it doesn't happen to them. We are the only organization in California that helps the undocumented. We can always use volunteers to go and speak to the farm workers out in the fields about their rights. And we can always use volunteers to help them become citizens so they can integrate into our society. But more importantly, we can always use your help by donations. Because we don't receive federal funding, we depend on the generosity of donors like you who can help us keep our doors open and continue helping farm workers find the justice they seek.